memorable life story of Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, to Hermann Einstein and Pauline Koch. His family was Jewish, but not particularly observant. Einstein's father ran an electrical equipment factory, and his mother was a talented pianist who encouraged her son's interest in music. As a child, Einstein was slow to learn to speak and had difficulty in school. However, he was fascinated by science and mathematics, and at the age of 12, he taught himself algebra and geometry. Einstein's family moved to Italy when he was 15, and he left school in Germany to join them. In 1896, Einstein entered the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, Switzerland. He excelled in his studies and graduated in 1900 with a degree in physics and mathematics. After graduation, he worked as a tutor and began to publish papers on theoretical physics. In 1905, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers that revolutionized the field of physics. These papers presented his theory of special relativity, which fundamentally changed our understanding of space and time, and introduced the equation E equals mc squared, which describes the relationship between mass and energy. Einstein's work on the photoelectric effect also earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. After completing his doctorate, Einstein worked as a professor at various universities, including the University of Zurich, the University of Prague, and the University of Berlin. He became a Swiss citizen in 1901, but later moved to Berlin to work at the Kaiser Wilhelm Institute for Physics. In the 1920s and 1930s, Einstein became increasingly politically active. He was a pacifist and spoke out against war and violence. He also became involved in the Zionist movement and supported the creation of a Jewish homeland in Palestine. In 1933, Einstein immigrated to the United States to escape the rise of Nazism in Germany. He accepted a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey, where he lived for the rest of his life. During World War II, Einstein wrote to President Franklin D. Roosevelt urging him to develop an atomic bomb before Nazi Germany could. After the war, Einstein continued to work on his theories of physics and became an advocate for nuclear disarmament. He also became a leading voice in the civil rights movement, speaking out against segregation and racism in the United States. Einstein died on April 18, 1955, at the age of 76. He was cremated, and his ashes were scattered at an undisclosed location. Einstein's contributions to the field of physics continue to shape our understanding of the universe today, and he is widely regarded as one of the most important scientists of the 20th century. Thanks for watching! Please subscribe.